Hey YouTube, how we doing? Alright, now normally for these kind of videos, we just go right to the screen, show you the YouTube random comment picker, and boom, here we go. But I wanted to take a moment and tell you why we did this one a little differently. I love doing giveaways for you guys, I seriously do. You guys give me so much of your time, so much of your love, so much of your comments, and yes, even your hatred is really, really appreciated. But, and here's the huge but. So many of you are very active subscribers, you leave lots of great comments, you leave lots of great stuff. But whenever I put like giveaway in the title, it attracts so many people that don't give a crap about my channel, don't give a crap about anything, and they just come in for something free, and then poof, they're gone. I worded everything for this video this way, for this giveaway, in order to target just you guys. That way my longtime subscribers, you guys got the benefit. You guys who watched saw what I was doing and instantly you commented. And I want to thank all of you for your comments. I really do. So that's why we did it this way. Now I'm going to hit pause on this video so we can go film the winner and see who got what. Alright, so here we go. Alright guys, so here we go. Most of you know by my giveaways what this screen is. But there's the, the video URL. I've already filtered out duplicate users and we've got 17 unique comments. So, let's see who won. Let's go. Wow, it just burned through those, huh? Okay, Tom Powell. There you go, bud. You are our winner. So what you're going to want to do, and this happens with every single giveaway I do, look down below. You're going to find a link right to the company's Facebook page. I need a message from you with, name, address, all that fun stuff within 10 days of this video posting, or we're going to go back and pick another winner. But there we go, guys. Everyone give Tom a big congratulations, and hopefully we're going to start doing more of these on the regular because I want to keep giving back to you guys. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I hope you have an incredible day today.